Hi, this is a review of the order trading system activity for December the 3rd, 2021. We had 6 trades on that day, 4 were buys and 2 were short sells. First trade was CAT. That's Caterpillar Incorporated, tripped at 11:39:05 a.m. at a price of $199.19. It was a buy. It closed the day at 197.80, up 0.51%, and after hours, up 0.22%. So let's see, 11:39. Yeah, it's monthly tripped here. Yeah, that was a ceiling it hit. So we'll pause the result of that one. OBV mostly moving sideways. MACD came up sideways, came up, down, came up at the end of the day, which is good. DI up. In the afternoon was okay because that's where it was down, recovered at the end of the day, and one event came up today. The indicators are showing that it had a positive result at the end of the day or end of the day closing period, which gives you the impression it was moving up. It was moving up for at least half the day also before that, so let's call it a possible. It's not a high possible, as the movement wasn't consistently upwards for the afternoon, but it was upwards for the good period of the closing time last hour. Next trade is GE. That's General Electric Company, tripped at 1:23 p.m. at a price of 93.11. It was a short sell. It closed the day at 92.77, down 2.58%. It dropped 1.10% after hours, so that's a positive. Take a look at the indicators just to see what they say. And interestingly, so it came down here, volume came down sideways, and at the end of the day was recovering. MACD came down, you see averages at the day were recovering, DI came down, and at the end of the day it was recovering. The good thing is it recovered after its drop, so caught it as drop. Well, it was a good thing, because you can see it probably dropped, tripped around here. Yeah, 120. Yeah, it tripped around here, came down, and then it came up, but it didn't recover above its tripping price. So that this stock actually recovered and started moving positive at the end of the day, but was still below its tripping price. Next trade is OKTA. That's Okta Incorporated, tripped at 1:21:56 p.m. at a price of 214.57. It was a buy. Closed the day at 214.59, down 2.98%, and 214.60, 0.10%. Technically is a positive, but not a very strong positive with such a, well, to be honest with you, that's only 1 cent, which for such a high stock, that's not really much of a positive result. So let's just take that as the aspect that it basically closed at its tripping price, which is not a positive because of it. So let's just see. 14.63, but it, okay, so here at the end of the day, between 324 and 338, talking close to over 10 minutes, but almost 15 minutes where it was positive. We're going to call that a pause just because there was a period here, not a strong period. And the thing is, the early morning period was actually up quite a bit, even though it was down from previous close. The morning period was still up above its tripping price, so I say there's potential there, and it did show a point where the positive result could have occurred. OBB jumping back and forth, so that's not consistent. At least it was moving up and down. MACD up, up, up. So MACD looks good. DI up at the end of the day, not strong, strong, strong. It just tripped right around here, but again, it wasn't a strong positive on DI. It just happened to be moving in that direction. And the same thing, Water Band. Actually, what's showing here, what DI is showing also, is pretty much moving sideways. At the end of the day, it recovered and started moving up. So, next trade is BBD. That's Banco Broad USA, tripped at 2:25:07 p.m. a price of 365. It was a short sell. Closed the day 363, down 1.99%, and dropped 0.83% after hours, so that's another positive. And let's check the indicators for that. Yeah, volume shows that it's moving down at the end of the day. MACD was down, recovered end of the day. DI showing it was pretty much down the end of the day, practically the whole afternoon it was down, and MACD showing it came down a little bit sideways moving at the end of the day, but the stock was moving negative at that period. Next trade is JBLU. That's JetBlue Airways Corporation, tripped at 325 at a price of 1360. It was a buy. It closed the day at 1360, down 1.81% and dropped 1.5% after hours. So let's see, 320. Yeah, it just for that period, even though technically this was the day ceiling here, which was early morning. The afternoon it dropped. It didn't go above it. So the afternoon period, it hit a ceiling for the afternoon that it didn't get above. So let's take a look at the indicators to see what they say. Volume up in the morning and then a little bit in the afternoon, but volume not showing strong. Volume a little bit. The afternoon period where it came up, MACD is showing that it came up in the afternoon. And DI positive and moving a little bit positive in the afternoon. It looks like closing was positive. Same thing, volume moving positive. Stock looks like it was moving positive, so we're going to call that a possible. Okay, it's not a strong possible, but indicators indicating that are showing that it appears to be moving positive. Next trade is PK. That's Park Hotels and Resorts Incorporated at 3:25:34 p.m. price 1677. It was a buy. Closed today at 1671, down 0.24%. So 325. 1683. 1670. 1682. Okay, so from 352 from 325 to 325. So this period here, which it's showing here at 352. So 352 to 329, so 20 minutes roughly where it was jumping up and down multiple times above its tripping price. I'm going to consider that positive because of it. And the indicator for that stock, yeah, volume looks good. Volume good here, showing volume up. MACD end of the day was moving up. DI moving up. Others are moving up. So that stock actually, was moving positive during the late period of the day. So that's 4 out of 6 stocks positive, which is 67%, and 6 out of 6 with the possibility, which is 100%. I'll leave it at that. Thank you very much.